At ExxonMobil and Imperial, using power tools can be a daily occurrence, and any unsafe action can have a serious impact to you and those around you. The following will focus on portable grinders and includes the potential hazards and the recommended actions and mitigations workers should be aware of when using this power tool as a part of their daily tasks. For step 1, some potential hazards include missing or faulty pieces causing injury, accessories improperly rated or mounted, before using any tool, an inspection must occur to confirm if it is fit for the intended task. A portable grinder is no exception. Confirm that the guard is attached to the grinder and it is adjusted so the wheel is minimally exposed to the worker. Then ensure the side handle is securely attached for proper use. Inspect the portable grinder cord for exposed wires. If exposed wires are found, the grinder must be taken out of service. Ensure the following when choosing a portable grinder accessory. Choose the right wheel for the task being performed. A cutting wheel cannot be used for grinding, and a grinding wheel cannot be used to cut. Check that the max RPM rating for the disc is the same or greater than the max RPM rating of the grinder. A shattering wheel is a major hazard that may result in serious injury. Inspect the wheel for cracks or damage. If any are found, the wheel will be taken out of service. Disconnect the grinder from any power source while adjusting or changing wheels. Ensure you install the wheel using the tool provided by the manufacturer. After mounting a new wheel, run the grinder to full speed to ensure the wheel is stable and safe for use. Consult the manufacturer's specifications for further instruction. For step 2, some potential hazards include materials moving causing injury, other workers exposed to flying debris, when working near or around hazardous conditions, such as water, or metal surfaces like scaffolding, ensure there is a GFCI or portable GFCI power source available for you to plug into. Function test the GFCI prior to use. Flag off and tag the work area, making other workers aware of the work going on and keeping unnecessary personnel out of the area. Inspect the area for flammable and combustible materials and remove if found. Place a fire extinguisher near the work area. Remove any unnecessary materials from the work area. Arrange welding screens or shielding to maintain 100% spark containment. If materials escape your work area, stop the job and readjust. Communicate your operations further by setting up signage. Ask your supervisor if a permit and gas test will be required as flammable atmospheres could be present. This should be indicated in your JSA or JLA. Secure the materials with mechanical means to prevent any movement using a vise or jack stand. Never use your hands to hold the material while grinding. For step 3, some potential hazards include electric shock, worker exposure, line of fire, sparks or debris causing fire. PPE is a part of every task, and the following will need to be used when using a portable grinder. The standard PPE including hard hat, gloves, FR coveralls, and protective footwear. Double hearing protection including earplugs and muffs, goggles or spoggles, and a face shield. Depending on the work environment, a respirator may be required. Consider the use of a fire watch with a charged water hose or a fire extinguisher when performing portable grinder work in certain environments. Any workers within 10 feet or 3 meters of an operating grinder must wear the same PPE. The grinder kicking back while in use is a major hazard and can result in significant worker injuries. Route all cords away from the end of the grinder's work area to protect them from any possible cuts and abrasions. Use both hands while operating the grinder. One hand on the handle and one hand on the body or trigger. This method allows for the most control by the user and will prevent kickbacks. When the task is complete, lay the tool down when the wheel has come to a full stop. Portable grinders are a key part of everyday activity at both Imperial and ExxonMobil worksites. Following these 3 points: inspecting the grinder, prepping the area, and using the grinder, will ensure at Imperial and ExxonMobil nobody gets hurt.